You know, a couple of people tell me say I must go do my head. But I have news so no. You see me is not a fussy person and I don't want nobody tell me what to do. Um Nowadays it's like me feel more comfortable for the past maybe year and something. I have a whole drawer full of wrapping headband. I feel so much more like me feel naked when me show me bare hair. I don't know why. It's that me just have this nakedness if my hair don't cover properly. Or maybe me have on a wig or something. It just it just make me feel that weird. I just don't know why it just all of a sudden start happening. I mean, no own no obligation, but be comfortably in my skin. Don't tell people what to do. Anyways, me have something for come to know. This me want to talk to you about. Just have to adjust that just now. Um, so you see, sometimes your blessings, you block your own blessing because this person I have spoke to them over and over to stop curse them parents. And I'm talking about this right now. You see in life, this person is reaching out to me and asking me for help. I'm not gonna call any name, but it's somebody who is reaching out to me. And I'm gonna tell you this. This is how me look on life, and a reality me attack. Me not ask you, me I tell you no. You see me, you see me never grew up with my parents. But when me tell you say, when it come on to loyal and respect, I give it to them 100%. When I reach 19 and sit down with my parents and have that conversation, why did you left me? Why did you abandon me? Why did you make my life me go through certain things in our life? Why? Why me have to go through this? Why me have to go through that? Me go through this, me go through that. Me ball here, me ball here, me ball, me ball, me ball. Especially when me that talk to my mother. Me ball. Like for the whole day, she comfort me. And she show me that love from there on. And she apologized. That mean a lot. I was 19 plus going into 20 when I have that conversation. And I'm going to tell you this. If you don't have a relationship with your parents, make it right. Make it right. Because sometimes the sacrifice that your parents have to do for you, it's not easy. It is not. When my mother tell me what she was going through with my father, nobody in the office sit down with that. But what me sorry she never do was leave me with my father. Me sorry about that because at least me would have go to school. And me say that all the time. And me attack because me not have filter in my mouth. Me attack from my heart and me I speak my truth. Not that me a complain. I'm just saying things happen in a life where you have to get past it. You can't sit down every day and worry about it. So when you get up now and you got all this baggage on your shoulder for your parents, what that gonna do for your life going forward? It not do a thing. You have some people then get up every day and then hold grudges to what their parents do to them. I don't have time for that. And me understand, yeah, everybody's not the same, blah, blah, blah. Get some help. If you can't manage it by your own, get some help. Because as me said, this person reached out to me for help and that them disrespect me. It's sad. You have not spoke to me for like 5 years. You block me from your phone. You do everything. You do the worst. And then you are gonna talk, say you feel like you kill somebody. I saw because why people have to treat you like that. The reason why is because of your disrespect. When you are disrespectful, these are the things that happen to you. When you treat your parents bad, and that's why I am not the one who is going to step in. Because what a lot of people don't understand in this world, in this life, when you neglect and disrespect your parents to a level and reaction is on you, when you know as your enough self, go and pick up somebody reaction because this not sweep under the rug, A lot of people think that when you do things like that, when you disrespect your parents and you do things like that, you feel like God asleep and it will go under the rug. I told you it was going to happen. I told you. So what do you want me to do now when God a punish you for what you do? Because you are say it. You say come like you feel like you do something to people, you kill people or whatever, and you don't do none of that. You have to, you have to have sense. You have to have some form of knowledge and know say it a go happen. It not go nowhere. So all of uno out there will not go under some sin thing. Uno get up and cuss uno parents. If I mean like uno a wash your foot and drink the water because all when they treat uno bad. Make the reaction take them and not uno. Cause God not sleep either for that one day. Him not sleep either way. But when your parents bring you coming at this world and you turn around and treat them like garbage, it even worse for you as the child. And nobody feel like say me, I go pick up your cross and carry it. Because a lot of you no realize say I saw no lose no blessing. Because sometimes you no go take on yourself. And the other day I did have to address somebody like that too because I don't know what they were saying the same thing and they are looking to me to help. And I did try to help them. I did. But at the same time I said to you, I don't know what you're carrying. I am not carrying any of that. I don't know what you are carrying. And when you're carrying these things, people will pick up your burden and then me go under punishment for you because God will punish you and you have to go through your cycle. But if you go through your cycle and still I do the same thing, just know that the cycle now end. Your punishment are going right now. That doesn't mean say it will go on forever. What you need to do is go down on your knee and pray, ask God to forgive you for anything you do. Because a lot of people don't believe in a prayer and necessity. And that's why reaction depend on a whole heap of you. Go and ask for forgiveness. Ask for forgiveness and God will bless you. Again, change your dirty ways. Change it. You wonder why? No for you too. You in a church. And watch some of you see. You in a church and then tomorrow you is a total different somebody. Me no want no pray for me. And now company come beg no for pray for me because I know God for myself. And I don't know who no be me. I feel no son have a good heart to beg no for pray for me. If you don't want to go pray for me, I know me I beg no. Me will pray for you because I know say this your heart is not corrupt and it clean. Me not pray no bad prayer for nobody. I bind up every no tongue that form against me shall prosper. I bind them up. In Jesus Christ's name, I bind them up. Let me tell you know this. You know fi see God. You know have to go to church, go jump up and down and do whatever, but you know fi know God. And you know fi know you need city. You hear me tell you no? No for no reaction and sometimes it's generational curse upon you. You no know it because you no know God. You no know for prayer. You know I was talking to somebody there before yesterday and him said, him just talk at church. This person is old. And they say they don't know how to pray. Every time something do them think it's somebody do it to them. If their head hurt them, somebody do it. They don't know how to give God thanks and pray. Just recently, they go to church and they learn how to pray a little bit. Just a little bit. You talk to God just like how me a chat to you right as in front of the camera. Talk to him. Ask him for anything. Complain to him about the things them where happen to you where you want to get rid of and ask him to remove them. What hard this and that? You don't know if it's faced with people and disrespect people and disrespect on the parents, but you don't know if it talk to God. Kono too. But you think say we are treated like your gills muddy. And you cause it by yourself. But then do nothing for you, do nothing to you. Nobody then do nothing to you. If me not know your heart, me not beg you pay for me. Me have to know you. That's why me not even like go to altar, cause some of them are pastor where you go stand up in front and beg you for prayer. Nobody pray for me, sir. Cause some of heart not clean. And it's just the truth. That are my truth. That's how me feel. And me express myself. Yeah? Over here, so it should have name expression channel. Yeah. When me have things in my gut and I want to speak it, me chat it. Who the cap fit, wear it. It doesn't mean say if me I talk about somebody, it have to be facts. Me I talk about and I express myself towards a situation. If it not fit you, it just don't fit you. But is am I true that? I mean I go tell it. Anyways, my Danas, so no big up on a nice clean self. Me know me have some liars Danas over here, you know. Yes. But you also have some ways not loyal, and if the cap fit, just wear it, you know. But anyways, I just love. I love me say, I love me preach. And yeah, people do upset me and me I go say what me want to say. But at the end of the day, it's still love. Sometimes it's just tough love. And even the person will reach out to me, maybe they might come across this video. Yeah, you have to go up on your knees, sit here and ask God for forgiveness and, apologize. Apologize to your parents. Because I told you when you behave like this can happen to you. Because it's obvious you don't have the knowledge to realize that it can happen. And you're so naive that you don't realize that these things can happen to you. When you're on this earth, walk on a chalk line and be respectful to people. Because you see them something here, when parents do them something here, uno sorry, no did damn ban. I will for time you make your parents I want a drop on you. Whole heap. Yeah. When you don't make on the parents I want a drop on you, or come like we better on name ban. But that doesn't like the video for me, yeah. Bye bye.